Okay, now fun. All of them something. And camera girl, put the camera upon me. I did not remember the pimento seed. Get right in here. I'm confusing you, so it got some time. Hush. I had to put in the pimento seed. I did not remember, so as soon as I came off camera, I remembered. I put it in. So you know why I always forget the pimento seed? Put the camera upon me. I'm allergic to pimento seed and whole cloves, but I've got to use it because it's a spice. It is a spice that gives up your pot. So I've got to use it. But because I'm so allergic to it, honestly, mechanical, because you know, as soon as I get near it, I start to have burning on my back of my hands. I don't even have to touch it. But remember your pimento seeds, okay, y'all? So right in now, camera. So we're going to look at this. Look at this. It was on medium. Let me notch it up a bit. Look at this. Look at what is happening. Look at the soup. You see the gungo? Good, sir. You stir. See it there? Look at it, y'all. Yeah. You see a dasheen? You see a sweet, hold on. You see a sweet potato? And it's cooked to the core. That is how you want it. Huh? And dumpling no mash out, eh? So I'm going to have to show you. And this is the color of your green gungo soup. Yes, sir. Green gungo soup, boat, land. Yeah, man. See there? Yes. Green gungo soup. Ready. I'm going to dish you all up some now to warm your bodies, okay? Yeah. So, yes. First and foremost, we want to get down in this pot and take a piece. Let us take it as we see them come up to it. So we find a piece of the sweet potato. Right in camera, girl. We find a nice slice of that sheen. And remember, you got to dish around and eat around the pimento seeds. That's why most of the time I always crush it in, because it's sort of a little, you know, uncomfortable sometimes to eat round. This is a little piece of your corned beef, and you have some of your roast pork or your ham. Yeah. Alright? Dumpling. Dumpling will come up. Yes, man. Meat on top of meat. Pure meat. Okay? So remember, it was dumpling, dasheen, sweet potato. Yeah. This gungo soup is a very peculiar soup. Certain things you don't put in there. You got to know the type of things that you put in there. Okay, y'all? And we have some meat here. Meat galore. Yeah. Good, sir. Yeah. And so now, we want some of the soup with the peas in it. So right over here, I have my ladle in the water waiting. And you're trying to find the bottom of this pot, you know. Because you don't want all peas to come up and no soup to come up and no gungo, you know. You want to find the gungo grain them, you know, sir. Good, sir. Good, sir. You see what I'm talking about, y'all? Good, sir. No more food in this, you know. Soup, sir. Soup to warm the body up. We're not going no more. We know it's a presentation, you're not supposed to fill up the plate and I make the thing and have no good look. So camera girl, I want you to get right in at this bowl of soup. So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your kitchen, to your Canadian, your American, your Australian, your Italian kitchen, it is green gungo soup. Jamaican traditional green gungo soup. This is the color. It nothing darker. This is the color, and as I told you, you have the pimento seeds here, so you gotta work around them. You know, you get your spoon and you pick it off and you put it in a little side plate. Will warm your bodies, okay, y'all? You and your families keep warm, okay? And hello, how do you do? Oh no, you know. You ain't no food this one. I can't be tired this week, but guess what? How did do, please? How they do? This is right in camera, girl. This is the soup, sir. This is the soup. Are you in, camera girl? You in? Are you in? Yes. So look here. Look at it. Look at it. Is that cereal soup this, you know? What's that? Let me lean up there so a little. Man. If you have liked this traditional green gungo soup, this is how I saw my mother do it from a little girl coming up. All I did was put a little carrot in there. She never put no carrot. Eh? Please give it a thumbs up. Share, continue to share, continue to leave your comments below. I know you're going to leave your comments on this one. Okay, y'all? Go. This cold weather, I know it's taking a toll on you. Warm your bodies. Okay, y'all? So once more, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy and warm yourself. Debbie from Donga Yard, Green Gungo Soup. I'm going to see you at late.